everyone, welcome to Kindergarten Learning. I am Pooja ma'am and today we are going to learn new words, that is the words which end with all sound, A-double-L all. So watch out the video to enrich your vocabulary with new words. Unit 1, Sunny Days. Let us read words ending with all sound. A-double-L all sound. B, all, ball. The boy is playing with the ball. K, all, call. This boy is making a call. He is calling someone. H, all, hall. This is a big hall, a cinema hall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. V, all, wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. F-A-double-L, fall. T, all, tall. The buildings are tall, tall buildings. M, all, mall. This is a big mall. The way we have Elante Mall, this is also a big shopping mall. S-T-A-double-L, stall. There are so many stalls in this fair. Stall. We see two balls, a red ball and a green ball. The green ball is small. S-M-A-double-L, small. So, these were all the words that we have done with the sound all at the end. A-double-L, all. Now, let us look at the word bank. Ball, call, fall, mall, hall, tall, wall, small and stall. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.